My favorite teacher. My teacher is a mentor, a role model, a guide, and a friend we all need in our daily lives. He is the one who instills among the students the values of learning and becoming a better individual in life. I am a student at a private school in New Delhi, and there are over 40 teachers in my school, but Mr. Kashyap is the teacher I admire the most. Mr. Kashyap was the roughest man in his 30s, tall and have a tough look. His appearance could be defined as a person wearing simple clothes, but his eyes gleamed with confidence. From his face, one could make out that he had an enormous amount of knowledge within himself. He had a postgraduate degree in both history and English and an MPhil degree in history. He used to teach history to around 90 students in our school, and everybody seemed to love his way of teaching. History was generally considered a boring subject by me till the time Mr. Kashyap made his arrival in my life. He introduced me to the subject in a completely new way, and I started to like the subject and wanted to know more about it. Mr. Kashyap used to believe that only knowledge confined by the syllabus was not enough. He used to discuss about topics beyond the program and encourage us to be updated with things happening around us in our daily lives. We never had to face a monotonic history class with Mr. Kashyap, as he always made the classes exciting with facts about history and civics. He also used to crack political jokes in the class, and his strategy behind doing this was to understand his jokes about the subject we had to know about it, which helped us increase our knowledge in a fun way. His talks were educative, exciting, and were full of literary references. His baritone voice and dramatic way of explaining the lessons helped us to grasp the topic very quickly and even helped us to remember it. Mr. Kashyap was a remarkable man who had a significant impact on me, my life, and my personality. He made sure that I fell in love with the subject, and I will forever remember him as my favorite teacher for the values he taught me.